WhatsApp just added a brand new feature, scheduled calls. And today I'm going to show you how to schedule a call, whether it's an individual call or a group call, right from your iPhone. So first you have to open up your WhatsApp and go to the calls tab. Here you will see the new schedule option. Go for it. Then you can add a description so everyone knows the purpose of the call. Next, choose your call date and time. And you can also set an end time. Or turn it off if you don't want WhatsApp to automatically end the call. After that, pick whether it will be a voice call or a video call. And when you're okay here, tap next and choose the people you want to include. You can select one person or multiple, tap next again. And now from here, you can give a group name and adjust the call settings according to your preference. Once everything looks good, hit done. And see, your scheduled call is now created and everyone you invite will see it, can join at the scheduled time. Isn't that awesome? Don't forget to like and subscribe for WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.